Today we are talking about something we all use every day, but we don't always notice it. Our topic is the silent language, decoding non-verbal cues for better connections. I'm Anjana and with me is Lalit.
Hello everyone, it's great to be here. Anjana, when you say silent language, it already makes me curious.
Yes, because communication is not only about words. Let me start with a question.
Sure,
When we communicate, do we communicate only through words?
no, not really. We also use facial expressions, hand movements, and our body posture.
That's right. All these come under non-verbal communication. It is the language without words.
So even when we are silent, we are still communicating?
Yes, silence also speaks.
That's interesting. Can you explain what non-verbal cues are?
Non-verbal cues are signals we send without speaking. For example, eye contact, facial expressions, gestures, tone of voice, and even the distance we keep from others.
Tone of voice is also non-verbal?
Yes, the words may be the same, but the tone can change the meaning completely.
Can you give some example?
Sure, if I say, that's great, I can sound happy or I can sound sarcastic. The listener understands the feeling not from the words but from the tone.
So non-verbal cues add emotions to the communication.
They tell us how a person really feels.
Why is understanding non-verbal communications important?
Because words can hide feelings, but the body often tells the truth. If we learn to read non-verbal cues, we can understand people better and respond more sensitively.
That helps in building better connections.
Yes, better understanding leads to better relationships at home, at school, and at work.
Let's talk about facial expressions. They seem very powerful.
They are a smile, a frown, raised eyebrows, all of these send clear messages.
And sometimes they speak faster than words.
Absolutely. A child may say, I'm fine, but their face may show sadness or fear.
So listening only to the words is not enough.
That's true. We must observe carefully.
What about eye contact? People often talk about it.
Eye contact is very important. It shows attention, interest, and confidence.
But too much eye contact can feel uncomfortable.
Yes, balance is important. Non-verbal communication also depends on culture, situation, and relationship.
That's an important point. Gestures can mean different things in different cultures.
That's why we should always be observant and respectful.
Let's talk about body posture. What does it tell us?
A lot. An open posture shows openness and confidence. A closed posture, like crossed arms, may show discomfort or defensiveness.
Even the way we sit and stand sends signals, right?
Yes, our body is always speaking.
How can learners improve their non-verbal communication?
First, by becoming aware of themselves. Notice your posture, notice your facial expressions, notice your tone.
So self-awareness comes first.
Always, then observe others. Watch how people react when you speak.
That sounds like a useful life skill.
It is. Good communicators are good observers.
How does non-verbal communication help English learners?
It helps a lot. Even if learners don't know all the words, the gestures, expressions, and tone can support their message.
So communication doesn't stop just because vocabulary is limited?
Not at all. Non-verbal cues give confidence and make communication more natural.
What should English learners notice in this conversation?
They should notice how we pause, how our tone changes, and how expressions support meaning.
Also, how questions are asked politely.
Yes, questions like can you explain, what do you think, or why do you feel so?
These questions invite conversation.
They do, and good communication is always two-way.
Before we end, can we give one simple tip for better non-verbal communication?
Yes, be present, look at the person you are talking to, and match your body language with your words.
Simple but very effective.
To our viewers and listeners, thank you for listening. Try observing non-verbal cues in your daily conversations.
And if you are learning English, practice speaking in front of a mirror.
If you found this discussion helpful, like, share, and subscribe.
We will see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.